Hi, I'm Wilson Arilaw. This is my video tutorial in data structure about heap sort. Heap sort, a sorting algorithm that works by first organizing the data to be sorted into a special type of binary tree called a heap. The heap itself has by definition the largest value of the top of the tree. So the heap sort algorithm must also reverse the order. It does this with the following steps. First, remove the topmost item or the largest and replace it with the rightmost leaf. The topmost item is stored in an array. Then the second step is reestablish the heap. Then the last step is repeat steps 1 and 2 until there are no more items left in the heap. Okay, there's our example. Okay, 0, 35, 42, 1, 4, 3. First, we made the binary tree. Then, the condition is if 0 is greater than 35, false. So, they swap. Then, 0 is greater than 1, false. Then, they swap. Then, 1 is greater than 4, false. Then, they swap. Then 35 is greater than 42, false, then swap. Then 42 is the greater than, then 42 will move to the array. Then 3 will be the root node. Then 3 is greater than 4, false, so they swap. Then 4 is greater than 35, false, then they swap. Then 35 is greater than to all, then 35 will be moved to our array. Then 1 will be the root node. Then 1 is greater than 3, false, so they swap. Then 3 is greater than 4, false, so they swap. Then 4 is greater than to all, then 4 will be moved to our array. Then 0 will be the root node. Then 0 is greater than 1, false, so they swap. One is greater than 3, false, so they swap. Then 3 is greater than to all, then 3 will be moved to our array. Then 1 will be the root node. Then 1 is greater than 0, true, then 1 will be moved to our array. Then 0 has remained, then 0 will move to our array. Then that's all is my video tutorial. Thank you.